another memory. It was my most vivid one yet.
What was it?
When I was little, there was this
box. Keep it hidden.
Some kind of puzzle box.
I don't know.
Stop it! You need to protect it, Ian.
I need your help. I remembered something from my past this morning.
Can't figure out what it is yet.
What happens if you take the new tattoo and overlay it with the old ink tattoos?
It's a constellation. Roman solved it for us.
Why give us a tattoo that can't be solved until Roman wants it to?
He needed them secure so they didn't fall into the wrong hands.
Tell me, we can track him.
If he doesn't want to be found, you're not going to find him.
Hello, Jane. How are you?
I need your help.
I know. You just gotta trust me and stay the course.
I don't remember most of our life together, but I can feel it.
I don't want to do this without you. How secret is this secret society?
Very.
You really think there was anyone left?
There has to be.
Is anyone gonna know what we did? The right people will.
Do you believe in it? Believe in her?
I think I know how to find him. Are you sure you're up for this? You don't have to do any of this on your own. I will be with you every step. You can do this. It's who you are.
You got it all figured out, don't you? Jen's not a coward. They just became the most wanted.
I'm not gonna make it back.
What is it?
I remember something.